You guys are in the way.
How you doing?
Hi.
Doing great. I'm Mikey. I'll be taking care of you, man. All right?
Excellent.
Everybody having a good day so far?
Yeah, not too bad.
That is really
camera.
cool, whatever it is. Is it reading the menu for you?
I'm just recording it on YouTube.
All right. I'm going to get everybody some water, if that's okay with everybody. Anybody like any lemon for the water?
Sure, why not?
I'll get a little bowl of lemons, and I'll grab some bread and butter, and we'll figure it out together, okay?
All right.
Sounds like you're from the East Coast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get food.
What are you getting, cheesecake?
But it's scraps.
Spy.
Not yet. Maybe in like 2 weeks. It's gonna be.
I assume you. Are you guys gonna get cheesecake later?
I usually get strawberry shortcake. Yeah, oh, yeah, you can get, yeah, hopefully you get
I
cheesecake.
want some cheesecake. I was looking at it. It's a pumpkin patch.
There's the kitchen. Alright. Brown bread. Pretty spongy. Nice and warm. It's got a little sugar in it, right? Oh, you haven't tried the bread
like
brown
that.
one? Yeah.
It's too. I prefer the
This one's a little sweet. Maybe molasses or something in there.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Seems like a sourdough. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Very chewy, but crunchy on the outside.
Very good.
Very good.
You can get the brown bread frozen at
Yeah.
the grocery store, but not the white.
Let's see. Yeah, that is good white bread. Much better than the brown one.
Yeah. Do you have Costco?
No. These are supposedly Thai lettuce wraps. Those of you in Thailand may disagree. Avocado, carrot, sauces. I guess that's the peanut sauce maybe over there. Interesting. Some Korean fried chicken.
Oh, it's got kimchi on it.
Interesting. That's a shepherd's pie, big dish. And then this is the carne asada with some mashed potatoes. Alright, let's try this
I
one
wonder what
mashed.
that sauce is.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's try these mashed. Chunky. There's bacon in it, I guess. Black pepper. Very rich. Some corn. Very buttery, but also the corn was grilled before it was cut off. And caramelization on the corn kernels. Yeah, what is this sauce? These look like fajitas. It's like a limey sauce. Cream, lime. It's not spicy at all. It's kind of sour. Caramelized vegetables.
Creamy ranchero sauce.
Alright, let's try a medium rare. It's supposed to be medium rare. I taste medium. It's fine though.
This is definitely different from the last time. Usually there's more sauce, but it's still good.
Being carne asada is just kind of a tough meat. It's not gristly, but there's no filet mignon. A lot of food though. Very good. One order of strawberry shortcake. Quite big. Fast strawberry.
Use the big spoon.
Oh, perfect.
A lot easier.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, guys.
Oh,
You want to do it? We can take the ingredients.
so is that ice cream in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
What's first plate? Oh, it gets some cream on there. This seems a little soft today. Same consistency?
I feel like the biscuits are
Seems soft
Get
too.
to see a plate.
I'm soup.
Done. Alright, so whipped cream. Oh yeah, that's very sweet.
salmon. Different pastry.
Is it right? Biscuit?
It's a different biscuit.
Seems different too.
Who
Yeah.
knows? Could be a different pastry shop.
Very dense. It's a heavy biscuit.
Usually it's like twice as wide,
Yeah.
thinner. Maybe they forgot the baking soda.
Good ice cream. Tastes like Haagen-Dazs ice cream.
So good.
Get off. There you go. Oh. Yeah, it's very good because the sweetness of the whipped cream. Almost choked to that. Hold on. That biscuit went down the throat. Wrong way.
Narrated.
Yeah. Anyways, the biscuit isn't very sweet, so the ice cream and the whipped cream help it out.